Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers. Wow, it's Christmas time and I want to welcome you to my handmade gifts class. I just love giving handmade gifts at Christmas time. They're so personal and so unique, and I can't wait for you to make all of these great gifts. Well, let me show you what we have for this offering. There's 5 different things. I've got this beautiful framed art project. It's the ornaments hanging on the tree. They're glistening and they're full of gold and they're just beautiful. And then I've got another framed art project that's the beautiful gold and white tree design. It's just so spectacular and so gorgeous. And then, of course, I don't know about you, but I'm giving lots and lots of gift cards this year. And here's a set of 3 different gift cards. And the little gift card pouch is right on the front. They'll never miss it. They'll know exactly what they're getting with this adorable gift card collection. And then it's time to decorate the tree. I love this gorgeous ornament. These are beautiful snowflake gold ornaments. It's a set of 3, great to tie onto a package, to put a little note on the back, maybe commemorate the year. Just such a beautiful collection. And then our cute little snowman guy. He's so much fun. He's a tower. He's blocks, and he's got this cute little hat with a scarf. Just an adorable decoration for any spot to celebrate Christmas. Well, let's take a closer look and look at some of the products that were used to make these projects. Well, look at this absolutely gorgeous collection of beautiful gold and paper ornaments hanging, ready to hang on the tree. It's such a pretty piece. I don't know if you can see all the sparkle and all the different things. We've got red glimmer paper. We've got specialty paper here. We've got some embossing going on. Beautiful little bows, and the Lights Aglow Designer Series paper over here. We've used a couple of places in there as well. The dies that are used for this are the Spruced Up outline die. So you can see there are my ornaments, and they do the outline as well. So the outline has been different than the inside. Even these cute little stars come from this piece. The other piece that we're doing for this class is this gorgeous golden tree. It is so pretty with the presents at the bottom and everything gold and glittery and just so beautiful. And that's being used with our, of course, we've got some glimmer paper, we've got some gold foil, we've got some distress gold foil, and of course the beautiful Lights Aglow Designer Series paper for our background. The tree actually comes from our Twinkling Lights dies. It's got the beautiful detail in here with some of the cutouts, so the light looks like it's really sparkling. So that's how we've made this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous piece. I know you're going to want to make so many of these to give as gifts this year. Well, absolutely having so much fun with these fantastic little gift card holders. They look so simple and they're really, really easy to put together. And that's because Stampin' Up! Has done so much of the work for you ahead of the time with dies and matching paper and, oh my goodness, all kinds of fun things. Well, let's start kind of one by one and take a look at these adorable gift card holders and show you how they're put together. Now, the first thing I want to show you is this fantastic die set. Now, this is the mini envelope pocket, and that's the pocket that I've used on all of these cards. It's a die set, it's year-round, you'll use it for all kinds of things, and of course you can see how well it fits the gift card right in there, just perfect. So that's on all of them, so that's the first thing you need to know. And then for this particular one, I've used the Spruced Up stamp set and the outline dies, and I'm guessing you've seen this before because I think this is just one of my absolute favorites. The versatility of this is fantastic. So I've stamped the 2 images, and by die cutting the one image with the die, you also end up getting the outline at the same time. So one time through the die cut machine and you get both of those pieces, and the same with the little one as well. And then this cute little Mary piece, that comes from our mini pocket die set. So that's that one in particular. So I'm going to scoot that out of the way. Well, let's talk about the gnomes. Oh, are these just adorable or what? Well, look at how cute this collection of paper is. So you can see that I've actually used the die, and these match up with the paper. So this die actually matches up perfectly and die cuts that little guy, and then so does the mushrooms. All of the mushrooms actually die cut right out of the paper. There's no coloring, no stamping, except for a little greeting right there for this one. Isn't that just so cute? And each one will be different because all of these people are all dressed in adorable little outfits. Well, let's move on to our last gift card, and that one is with our Santa train. I have so many great dies here, but let me pull this one in so you can see what this one looks like. So here's our really, really cute little Santa on there. We've got, again, our little gift card holder. A little tree has come from the paper, but look at how clever this is. The die actually just cuts out the little train so easily and just pop that right onto your card. And of course, our greeting came along with this as well. I chose the elf approved and sleigh delivered. I think that's just adorable. I've added a touch of glimmer paper just to look like a little sparkly snow. Well, I know these gift card holders are going to be such a hit for you to use this season. Well, I can't wait to hang these ornaments on my tree. I know they're just going to be such a beautiful addition. I love how they shimmer and shine with the gold foil paper. I think this just makes a great gift. It's a set of 3 of them with these beautiful ribbons, and just I think they're just absolutely elegant. What I've done to do these beautiful snowflakes are the frosted flurry dies. And what's really unique about these dies is that they only cut pieces that are sticking up. So a lot of the pieces are all contained. So when you cut it out, it's all one piece. And so you just have that beautiful sense of the 3-dimension of them just coming up and rising up a little bit. So just an absolutely gorgeous design. And I've got a little bit of red glimmer or red shiny paper in the center. I've used the Textured Chic Designer Series paper. If you haven't seen my Fancy Folds class or anything like that, this is what I used for that class. And of course I use some of the gold foil paper. Now to make these, I also used my Stylish Shapes dies. These are a basic. If you buy nothing else, this is the first thing you need to purchase. I use these all the time, and the dies have a stitch pattern both on the inside of the circle that you cut out and also the outside. So if you make it a frame where you're using just the frame edge, that edge will be also stitched. Just a fantastic collection. And then these beautiful flurry dies. So many options for gorgeous snowflakes. Anyway, I hope you enjoy making and giving a beautiful set of ornaments this holiday season. Well, this is my Santa who has lots and lots of heart. It's an adorable stacking box. You can see there's 3 different boxes. It features a beautiful fringe scarf, a little hat with a tassel on the top, little pom-poms, just an absolutely adorable, adorable little snowman stack. It's made from cardboard, so it's not super heavy. And here we are. I used the wintry 3D embossing folders to emboss all the paper that wrapped around here, and then highlighted that with a little balmy blue ink in my blending brush. My greeting comes from Ringed with Nature. I just love this love and warmth because a Santa's just such a happy little thing. And of course I cut that out with my my heart punch. So I can't wait for you to make lots and lots of these adorable things. And also it's even open at the bottom, so if you wanted to tuck a little gift inside or some treats, this would make a fantastic gift with some homemade goodies or candy inside as well. So I just hope you love my love and warmth Santa.